guys, what's up? Welcome back to Rochielin and thank you so much for being here. I'm currently driving out to Gustazos' headquarters, and for those of you that don't know, Gustazos is an online based platform or website where you get deals on different activities and different excursions here in Jamaica. They're in a couple other Caribbean islands, but I'm gonna focus on Jamaica for today because I'm in Jamaica. Yeah, I have done a video with them before, and this video, I think it's titled Being Massaged by the Blind, is where I went to get a massage, and the persons who run and operate the company, the massage company or the salon, they're all legally blind. And that was an inspiring story. So if you have not seen that video before, I encourage you to go and check it out. I'll leave it in the description bar below. Today though, I'm gonna be filming a video with them for their platform. It's gonna be interesting, I believe. It's a song association video. I'm not a singer, but I'm gonna try and sing, so that should be fun, watching me make a fool of myself. So I'm gonna take you guys on the behind the scenes journey of that, so you guys get to see, you know, everything up close and personal all of my life. I'm currently on vacation leave, and I've been getting a lot of backlash from y'all, especially on Instagram and Twitter, because I took vacation and I went to Florida for about 4 or 5 days, no, like 4 days, but I didn't vlog a lot while I was there, and everybody said, oh, you need to be vlogging, I want to see everything, blah 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 blah. I do keep some things private, but I don't understand I have a responsibility and an obligation to y'all apparently. So I will be vlogging. I've just been, you know, in one of those moods where I just don't feel like doing anything. Yeah, I've been in that for the past maybe month. So I'm trying to get back out of that funk and start vlogging again. I'm going on the north coast this weekend, so I shall be vlogging and shall be taking y'all with me. But until then, enjoy this video. It's Gustazos with Rochielin. So let's go.
Let me tell the people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy.
Let me take off the glasses real quick so you guys can see my face. Yo, I feel like I'm just always late. Does anybody else suffer from this disease? No matter how much I try to be on time, no matter how much I plan out the day from the day before, like I just always end up being late. Like I'm not late yet, but I feel like I'm gonna be late soon, and I'm trying to get there for 1, and right now it is, let me see what time. I know it's 12:43, so I do have 17 minutes to spare. I'm in New Kingston, so hopefully I get downtown in 17 minutes. Let's see how the Friday afternoon traffic is looking. But yeah, I'm trying to not be late. And for those of you that remember the video where I added color to my hair, as you can see, the color has faded after a week. It's not there anymore, and a lot of it came off on my shirt. But I think what went wrong, and I'm not gonna try it again because I'm about to take out this here, but I think what happened is, when I first put in the color, I didn't give it time to dry. I feel like I should have blow dried it so that it could have stick to the hair, but instead I did just rush out to the airport same time, and then so a lot it was down on my clothes and a lot of it kind of transferred onto my shirt. So if you're ever gonna try doing this style, please to blow dry it. Make sure so the color dry and set, because once it's dry, it stays, it doesn't come off on your clothes. So yeah, but I do believe very strongly in these hair paint waxes. It's a really good way to color your hair without permanently altering your hair and damaging your hair. So you just put the wax on and you wash it off when you finish. So I actually really like it. And this video is not sponsored, this is my true opinion. And even if it's sponsored, I would still give my true opinion. And I try to only work with brands that I do believe in, unless I'm reviewing it, and when I review it, I will give my honest opinion. You know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so my heart. 20 degrees Fahrenheit right now in Kingston. That's hot. So guys, I am here now at Gustazos at their headquarters downtown, and I'm here with Adam.
Hello, hello.
And Charlotte.
Hola!
And we're about to film, but we're trying to convince Adam to come and sing with me in this video. And I really think that you do such a great job, Adam. Like, I can see that you're a singer. I see it in the top of your hair.
Okay, wow.
You know, and the tip of your ears. It shows that you're a singer. Look, I got a Gustazos cup, and guess what about this cup? Whenever you put water in it, it turns to blue to match the theme color. Isn't that kind of cool? You said a cold water. Look at my lipstick all over the cup.
Yeah.
No, just get it blue.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's almost blue. It's blue.
Okay. Alright, hold on a sec. I don't.
So this is what the cup looked like before. It was white, and when you add water, it's blue. That's so cool. Almost ready. Alright guys, so a new person just joined us. This is Stevie. Hi! Stevie Wonder.
I wish I could sing though. If you get that, we can.
Me too. And I'm about to sing, so don't laugh though.
No promises. I thought.
Alright, bye. How are we doing? Are we ready?
Trying to do the IT team back here, you know?
No, look at this. You guys don't, let me tell you, you guys don't ever get to see the behind the scenes of these videos. Let me show you what we have to go through. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at this. This is how we get the tripod to stand.
No.
And that's how we put in the camera.
You're wicked. You're wicked and you're scanned out your white shirt.
No, big up, you're a G.
Alright, that's how we make it work. That's how
Yeah, we make it work. And that's where we're filming. So we're filming for Facebook Live and Gustazos' Instagram page. So by the time you see my video, those videos would have already been posted. So I'm sure it's gonna be saved to the pages. So head over there and watch it. Watch me make a fool of myself. Watch Adam make a fool of himself too. Because I need him to come in the video and help me out. But yeah, just sipping on my blue water still. Just sipping on my blue water. So waiting to start.
Alright, Sherry, you want me you just want to turn my phone in for?
More makeshift projects going on over there.
Yo,
Wait, I have on me.
the scandals, I can't. You need to find some influencers that do that does scandal here. With photo evidence.
Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Don't worry, that's how it look at home and I'm filming too. Amount of shoes box pile up. The things stack up on. But that's a little close.
Yeah, it is.
Actually,
Can we bring the light
Yeah, we'll
back?
bring it back.
Oh.
just right.
Okay, but we'll have to bring the light back now.
No, so that's.
Now we mess up the Facebook Live. The contraption.
2,000 years later.
We're live? No. Hi Gustazos, Instagram peeps and Facebook, and today we are kicking things off with our Song Association live, and we are joined by Rochielin, who is known for her amazing vlogs and Instagram posts. Rochielin, say hey. Alright, so pretty much what this is about is that today we're celebrating Staycation Fridays. Alright, so today it's all about hotels, it's about your vacation, it's about just relaxing, taking a weekend off from work and going to one of the amazing properties that we have live right now on Gustazos. And then Song Association game that we're going to play with Rochielin is that we're going to give her a series of words. She has approximately 10 seconds to sing a song that has that word in it. Yeah? You think you're ready?
Yes, a disclaimer. I cannot sing.
Okay.
So let's just get that out there.
Right, so we're not talented singers. This is just for fun. We thought we would try something new.
Yeah.
And yeah, and you also have your viewers watching as well.
Yes, so welcome guys, and
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm gonna try and make you guys proud.
And we have allowed her to have a lifeline, so she can call on someone else to help her sing that can't also sing. Alright, so we have our words right here. And
I'm nervous.
alright, the first word is treat. You have 10 seconds starting now. Or 10
I'm
up. Alright.
wait, what?
Alright, your next word is sand. 10 seconds starting now.
Sand.
That's not a song.
It's a song, you know. Sand. I'll walk through the sand for you.
No. Alright.
No.
You know what? I'm gonna just grab a few
Hold
because
on.
you're going with bare things
10
today.
seconds too short though.
No, that is the rule. 10 seconds. Alright, the next word is
This is bad.
relax.
No, this is really bad. Can I call a lifeline?
Lifeline. Where's your lifeline? Who's your lifeline? Adam Barca, the commercial director. Alright.
Alright, Adam.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so we're gonna give you another word.
It's okay if you guys have to call in the professionals, I understand.
So this is our
Yeah.
commercial director and he's playing with us today.
First of all, what kind of words are these? Relax.
And-
What song have relax?
yeah.
Come, drop your popcorn.
Alright.
Me no popcorn have a relax song. But
Alright, yeah,
can't
relax.
remember it.
If I sing this song, nobody's gonna know this song.
That's okay as long as
And I only know like 5 words. to this
that's
song.
alright.
You know, relax, don't do it. Make you
Wait,
wanna
you have to
go
sing
to
it.
it.
Relax,
don't do it.
Alright. Alright, you win.
Alright, okay.
So should we keep
Yeah,
Adam
keep
here
him,
for
keep
the
him.
lifeline? Alright.
Keep him.
The
Yeah,
next
what are the viewers saying? I don't know.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Yeah?
The next word is vacay. Vacay. You guys have 10 seconds.
Your turn. Vacay.
Vacay. No song that have vacay.
Vacay, of course.
Tell me one song that have vacay.
I'm not the one playing here.
I know, but
Right? But since you
since
know.
time ran
I
out.
am not the one playing here. Alright,
Gosh.
let me give you an easy one.
No, wait. Since time ran out though. Vacay.
Vacation.
Wow. Okay. This is clearly up to us.
Apparently
This is clearly
French
up to us.
Montana has a vacay song, apparently.
French Montana has a vacay song?
Yes. One of your viewers are letting you know.
Alright.
Well,
Wow.
thank you.
Sonic 3, 4, 5.
Oh, hey, Shawnette.
If she could send the lyrics
That'd
at the
be
same
great.
time.
Yeah.
She actually won our giveaway the other day.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think it was the same Shawnette. Yeah.
Vacay.
Stop cheat. You're peeking.
What? I wasn't.
Alright, the
Oh, the
next
title is vacay, actually.
it's vacay?
Yeah, that's the title.
That's good to know. Thanks, honey. Alright, next word is fun. Fun? Fun. 10 seconds starting now. Guys, come on, you know this one.
F is for friends who just started. U is for you and me.
I hate you right now. Adam, give us a, no, Rochelle, no.
Is this done in the beach?
She covered fun. She covered
Alright,
fun.
fine.
She covered fun.
Alright.
Okay.
I feel like you studied this. No. Alright, this one is pina colada. And if you're wondering why we're using these words, they're all associated to vacations and staycations and going to the hotel and Gustazos. Alright, so who's gonna sing? 10 seconds starting now.
If you like pina colada, how do the rest of the words go? Yeah, I like pina colada.
Aren't you on the show now?
Who told you that? No.
Alright, let's go.
And that's me.
No, you have to stay.
No, I need you.
Alright. Next word is beach. We have holy pasta out there with beach.
Beach.
Let's go to the beach. Wicked. 2 in 1 go. 2 in 1 go.
I feel like you could easily get this one.
Alright.
No, don't move on it, man. Look at the more beach.
So you want the more beach?
Backyard beach. The Phineas and Ferb.
Backyard beach?
They have a song called Backyard Beach and Phineas and Ferb.
I don't know.
No, we don't.
Like a popular song.
Yeah. Not a cartoon.
The holiday song on beach, you know? Holiday.
No. Does it?
It's a nice summer evening,
a cool afternoon. Nobody have to work,
but nobody
has to
No, okay, no.
I love college, but I'm going to the beach. There we go. I knew beach was in there somewhere.
Alright.
There we go.
I'm hoping that you'll get this one.
What is this now?
If you don't get this one, you're fired.
Okay.
Yeah.
The word is experience.
Experiences.
This is our jingle.
Of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Are powered by Gustazos.
Sign up online, don't you wait. Buy, redeem, and enjoy.
Yes.
Right,
I'm going to give you an easy one.
Yes, please.
Live. 10 seconds.
Live it up. Having a good time, baby.
Yay!
Having a good time, don't be crazy.
I feel like you need like a beat. I feel like our camera woman should be giving us like a little beat.
Live it up. Hey. Having a good time. You know that Daniel Marley song? And now we live it up.
Alright.
We swear it's water in there, okay?
It's water.
We swear.
It's water.
Check out our cool
It was-
Gustazos.
Yes, it was white, and then I put water and it turned blue.
Yeah.
And then my lips made it pink. Coconut jelly. Coconut.
10 seconds starting now.
Mix it up in the coconut.
The lime in the coconut. Mix it all up.
Yeah, that. I feel like there's another coconut.
Coconut song? Guys, tell us what a coconut song. Somebody giving us this
She said cocoa nut.
cocoa nut.
Like separated.
Oh. No.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
No, wrong cocoa.
Oh, the devotion song. There's a kid devotion song called Coconut.
Coconut?
That's true. I stand with this, yeah.
I'm gonna give you another easy one. Love.
Yes.
Love. Never knew what I was missing. And I knew once you start kissing, I find.
Wow, go there. You should hold the laugh. You should hold the tune. Just holding the tune.
I just realized your hair is like a greenish.
Yeah,
That's so cool.
I had color on the end, but it's
Sorry.
Guys.
I have a video on my YouTube channel of how I
Thank
colored
you,
this hair and also my natural hair. So
pretty
go
cool.
over there and check it out.
Yeah,
It's at Rochielin.
Is she plugging right now?
Yeah.
That's a huge plug.
That's
Shameless plug.
That was a surge protector.
Alright, well, while we're plugging, right now, live on Gustazos.com, we have a lot of amazing hotel promos for you. So we have
We have Sunscape.
we have Sunscape, we have Sunsets at the Palms,
Grand Bahia.
we have Grand Bahia, What else do we have? We have Mangoes, I think, still live.
Well, yes, that's what we do. We have Wyndham.
We have Wyndham.
We have Waldorf Astoria. And coming up tomorrow, should I give everybody a sneak peek?
I feel like they should just tune in to find out what it is that we're.
What's it start with?
I think we should give away.
What it start
We
with?
should give away 25 credits
Okay.
to anyone who could probably guess which hotel is coming tomorrow.
Okay.
And it's a hotel that we haven't run all year. They've run with us before, but we haven't run them all
And
year.
it's an all-inclusive, right?
Of course it's all.
It's an all-inclusive
And
hotel.
it's 4 of them at once.
So 4 hotels drop in
Same
one
brand.
time. It's about to be lit. If you guys can guess what the name of these hotels are, well, the chain, then you'll get $25 US in Gustazos
I
credit.
think that's a
Can
good.
I guess?
Yeah, you can guess. Come on, I will tell you.
It's Jamaican? They're in
Yes,
Jamaica?
they're in Jamaica.
Yes, Jamaican branded hotel. Last clue.
All right, go on.
That's the last. No, that was
That's
the
it.
last.
What letter it start with?
No,
No.
no, better than that.
Rochelle, you try for.
Anybody guessing?
Anybody guessing it?
Anybody
Is it
guessing?
like, is it like
Alright, guys,
Pirates?
so 25 credits to whoever can
No.
guess which hotel that we're going to be
It's not
launching.
high.
Jewels.
What you say?
Not
No,
Jewel.
it's not
Yes,
Jewel. We
it's a
just had
chain.
Jewel.
It's a chain.
It's a chain,
So
yes. It's a Jamaican chain.
It's a Jamaican chain.
It's a Jamaican
It's
hotel.
not. It's not
It's
Marriott.
sandals.
It's not
any-
sandals.
It's not anywhere else in the world actually. It's indigenous to Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's 4 hotels.
Mhm.
Kids aren't allowed.
Why is it me googling?
Wait, it's
Okay, that's my last.
You're giving it away.
I'm giving it away like
Kids
too
aren't
much.
Wait, when was the last time you ran them?
Last.
Wait.
Last year, December.
What kids
No.
not
No.
allowed?
No
Is
kids.
hedonism?
Okay,
No.
Shanice is
That's
asking if you
one.
can repeat the question for her.
Okay, so it's which hotel are we running tomorrow? It's a chain of 4 hotels. It's a Jamaican branded hotel. It's nowhere else in the world. It's indigenous to Jamaica. And we have not run them all year. And they've just
let me
returned to
tell
us
you.
and they will be launching tomorrow.
Let me tell you.
4 hotels,
It's-
1 brand.
It's
Put a time on it. Put a time
Yeah,
on
let's
it.
put a time on.
Hold on.
25, come on, 25 credits, guys.
It's
25
Is it
credits.
hotels?
No, it's not the X Hotel.
it's
Hedonism?
Not
no,
the
I
anything.
said that too, and I said no kids allowed. Don't worry.
No. Good.
It's a big brand.
It's a
You
really-
want us
it's
to
a
tell them
really-
what the name starts with, like the letter? Because nobody not getting it.
Alright. Alright, it starts with C.
Start.
Corley,
Nope.
Courtyard.
Nope.
Couples?
Yes!
Okay,
You got
Amari
it.
_ED got it.
Oh, nice.
Go, Amari,
Congrats,
go.
Congrats. If
Good
you can
stuff.
just direct message us your
Yes.
email address, your contact number, we will
will.
definitely be applying your
Good
Gustazos
job.
credit to
Just
your
send my
account.
email address to them.
No, don't make
Good.
she scam you here.
Good job. Good
Shanice
job.
actually got it right after him. Whoa.
Oh, big
Wow,
up, Shanice. Alright, so, what you still want to sing?
Hold on, let me get my voice ready.
Yeah.
Ready.
I've been beat that for you, you see.
I appreciate that. We really appreciate that.
I feel like I'm ready now.
You ready? Alright, let me see.
Yeah.
The word is Adam, stop cheat. Rum.
I'm drinking rum
and Red Bull.
Hennessy, you make my heart full. Something after that, and something after that.
Aren't you an artist? I feel like you should be.
No.
Put the rum in the coconut and mix it all up.
Hey. When did they say rum did that? At which part? That was a remix that said rum.
That was a remix.
That was a remix.
You might have a song that has 1 minute.
Rum.
Rim.
Rum without rum. Not this hard.
You had a whole week to prepare.
No, but you didn't tell me what kind of words.
Exactly.
I was expecting words like love, stand, sit.
Alright, let's
No.
Alright, stand.
stand.
Okay, go on.
Stand in the name of love. Before you break
My heart. Guys, you can give us some words too, you know.
Royal. Next
Royal.
royal. So royal.
And
I need her in my life.
oh, that's what?
Loving you and
Woman to choir going right there saying
Right.
so
right.
one of a kind. Yeah. I wish she moved to her own beat.
You know the whole thing.
Quality
I feel like we
of a queen. So supreme.
You know, hats off, you got one.
Yay!
You win with that one there, you win.
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and for chilling with us today for our, you know, our Song Association Fridays jam. Thank you so much, Adam, big up yourself. And thank you so much, Rochielin, for joining us today.
Not a problem. Thank you for having me. It was
Thank
fun.
you.
Hi guys, so I just finished filming and I'm about to leave Gustazos right now. I think the camera died somewhere, or no, it didn't die. The camera turned off somewhere in the middle of filming the video, so I'm not too sure where exactly. I wasn't really paying attention to the camera, so I don't know how much of it you guys saw, but I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I'm leaving now. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Friday evening, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for coming to Rochielin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to go subscribe. Go. Alright, cool. Thank you. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one.